ازيكم يا جماعة. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be translating a clip from my absolute favorite Egyptian series, The Land of Hypocrisy, Ard al-Nifaq, available on Netflix, episodes 1 to 30, English translated. In this particular clip, you will learn how to flatter someone excessively in Egyptian Arabic to get what you want from them. And as you will see in the following clips, as you will see in the following clips, the person who is being flattered receives it well. So it's kind of like a back and forth that happens. Without further ado, يلا بينا.
أهلا يا ابني.
أهلا يا ابني. So this lady is the boss of both of these guys actually. And she says to him, to Mas'ud in particular, to Mas'ud specifically, أهلا يا ابني. أهلا means welcome. Ya ibni means my son. Of course, he's not her son, but because there is an age difference, he's like her son, so she refers to him as ya ibni.
ابني؟ لا يا هانم، استغفر الله، حضرتك يعني مكبره نفسك قوي، انت يا دوب قد اختي الصغيره ويمكن اصغر كمان يا فندم.
ابني, my son. لا يا هانم, استغفر الله. لا means no. Ya هانم. Hanim is a respectful way to address a lady of stature, a lady of prestige. لا يا هانم, no miss. استغفر الله, I seek forgiveness from God. حضرتك يعني كبر نفسك. حضرتك is also another esteemed title for women. حضرتك for men. حضرتك يعني I mean حضرتك يعني so miss I mean you've كبر نفسك, you have increased نفسك, your life or your age he's referring to, قوي, a lot. انتي يا دوبة دي أختي صغيرة ويمكن أصغر مني كمان يا فندم. So he says انتي يا دوبة, you are barely, انتي you يا دوبة are barely, دي أختي my sister صغيرة, younger. So altogether, when translated directly, it doesn't really make sense. He's saying you're basically barely older than me. You're like my younger sister. ويمكن, what means and, يمكن maybe, أصغر younger, كمان يا فندم. كمان means also. So I think you're even younger also يا فندم, miss.
اقعد يا ابني اقعد.
And then she laughs and says أقعد يا ابني أقعد. So أقعد means to sit down. So she's asking him to sit down.
بصراحه مش هقدر اقعد لاني مش قادر يا فندم، الحقيقه مش قادر اقعد.
بصراحة مش أقدر أقعد. مش قادر يا فندم. الحقيقة مش قادر أقعد. So بصراحة means honestly, if I'm being completely honest. أنا, or he doesn't say أنا, مش أقدر. And because of the way that this أقدر is conjugated, you know that he's referring to أنا. مش أقدر, I'm not able to. أقدر means I am able to. مش أقدر is I'm not able to. أقعد, to sit down. مش قادر, I'm not able to. يا فندم, يا فندم, miss. Like I'm not able to sit down, I'm just not able to. I haven't got the ability. الحقيقة, the truth is, مش قادر أقعد. مش قادر, I'm not able to أقعد, sit down.
ايه يا مسعود مالك؟
لا ما فيش حاجه.
إيه يا مسعود? What مسعود? مالك, مالك means what's wrong. في إيه means what's up. What is there?
حاجه فما فيش حاجه، يعني بصراحه البرفيوم اللي حطاه الهانم يعني مشاعره عاليه جدا فمش مظبوط، انا مش مظبوط.
مفيش حاجة يعني بصراحة البرفيوم اللي حطه الهانم يعني مشاعره عالية جدا مش مظبوط. So مفيش حاجة. في حاجة means there is something. Or if someone's staring at you randomly, for example, you can say to them, في حاجة? Is there something? What's the problem? Why are you staring at me? مفيش حاجة means there's nothing. يعني بالصراحة, يعني I mean بالصراحة, honestly. البرفيوم, the perfume, اللي, which, حطه, put on, الهانم, the lady, يعني مشاعره عالية. I mean مشاعره, its feelings, its sentiments, عالية, are very high. جدا, very. مش مظبوط, I'm not okay.
هو الحقيقة مشاعره عالية يا فندم، الحقيقة.
هو الحقيقة مشاعره عالية يا فندم، بالحقيقة. Because الحقيقة, the truth is, مشاعره عالية. it's the feelings it conjures are very high. It makes me feel something. It has such an impact on me. يا فندم miss بالحقيقة, like I'm being honest.
يعني ايه برفان ومشاعره عالية؟
يعني ايه برفان ومشاعره عالية؟ يعني ايه, what do you mean? برفان, a perfume, ومشاعره عالية, and its feelings are high.
خد راحتي في الكلام يا فندم ولا عطل حضرتك؟
أخذ راحتي في الكلام يا فندم ولا عطل حضرتك. أخذ راحتي, خذ راحتك means take your time. خذ راحتك. أخذ راحتي means should I take my time. في الكلام, in the words, it is the direct translation, and what he's saying is in what I'm about to say. خذ راحتي, أخذ راحتي في الكلام. Should I take my time with what I'm about to say? يا فندم, miss. ولا عطل, ولا, or عطل, should I obstruct حضرتك, yourself. Should I cut you off, I think is a better way to translate عطل, to cut you off. Or should I خذ راحتي, take my time.
لا خد راحتك.
لا, no, خذ راحتك. خذ is the imperative. خذ, take, راحتك, your time.
في معلومة طبية مؤكدة يا هانم إن لما الإنسان يرش برفيوم على جسمه فمسامه مسام الشريفة مش أي مسام بتفرز ريحة غريبة محدش يعرف يعني يتحكم فيها أو يوصفها زي اللي أنا شاممها دلوقتي اللي جاية من حضرتك يا فندم. أنا شامم ريحة جاية من الجنة لو ما كنتش ببالغ يعني.
في معلومة طبية مؤكدة يا هانم إن لما الإنسان يرشه برفان على جسمه from the beginning. في معلومة, في means there is, مفيش means there isn't, and I think I say that in every video. معلومة is like a study. معلومة طبية is like this scientific research. معلومة طبية, طبية is scientific research. مؤكدة, which is correct and proven. يا هانم, miss, إني that لما الإنسان, لما means when, الإنسان, a person, يرشه, sprays, برفان, يرشو, برفان means spray perfume, على جسمه, على means on, جسم is body, جسمه, his body, and it's referring, or its body, is referring to الإنسان, which is I believe a masculine noun. مسامه, his pores, or the person's pores. It can be a he or she, but because it's a masculine noun. مسامه, the pores. مسام الشريفة, مش أي مسام. مسام الشريفة, which means honorable pores. A way to describe your pores, honorable. مش أي, not any, مسام, pores. بتفرز, which means it lets out. ريحة, scent. غريبة. غريبة is like a weird or strange, interesting scent. محدش, محدش means no one. حد means a person or like anyone, any random person. محدش, no random person or no person. يعرف, knows. يعني اتحكم, يعني اتحكم فيها. يعني means, I mean, he's like he's trying to find the words to describe what he's saying, so he adds يعني, I mean, اتحكم فيها, to judge it, or يوصفها, or يوصفها. يوصفها means to describe her, or to describe it. It's a feminine noun, ريحة, a scent or a smell, which the ha at the end is referring to. And then he says زي أنا شممها دلوقتي. زي أنا شممها دلوقتي. زي like أنا, I, شممها, I'm smelling her. شممها, the ha is referring to the ريحة, which is a feminine noun. دلوقتي means now. اللي is a relative pronoun. It means that which. That which, it means a whole bunch of things actually. Maybe I'll add it on the screen here. جاية, that is coming from, so that which is coming from. جاية من حضرتك, from yourself. يا فندم, yourself, miss. أنا شامم ريحة, I, أنا شامم, smell, ريحة, a smell. جاية, coming from, من الجنة. من means from, جاية من, come from, الجنة, heaven. لما كنتش مبالغ. لما كنتش if I wasn't. لما كنتش if I wasn't مبالغ, which means excessive or exaggerating. So if I wasn't exaggerating, I would say الريحة دي. Okay, let's construct a sentence together. الريحة دي جاية من الجنة. Okay, ريحة feminine noun. دي, this, it means this, and it's referring to the feminine noun. If it was a masculine noun, it would be da. الريحة دي جاية comes from, and it's got a ta at the end, ta مربوطة, because it's a feminine noun that it's referring to. من الجنة, from Jannah, from heaven. Okay? And that is one way to fluff up someone's ego when you're looking to take their job or when you're looking for a promotion. And until the next one, salam.